Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to all my new subscribers. Today I'm going to be showing you guys a new hobby I've been working on for the last couple months, so you don't want to go anywhere. Stay tuned. Hey guys, so I'm about to do a video where I show how I made my very first lace front wig, and this is it right here. So I plucked it a little bit at the front. I didn't over pluck it because I still wanted it to be very much full towards the perimeter of my hairline, but not completely to where it looks like it's a wig or it looks wiggish or too thick, if you know what I mean. So I am going to show you guys a little clip of me making this wig. I flat ironed it and I did put curls in it about a week ago, so it is dropped now, but if I wanted to put some fresh curls in it, this hair does hold a curl. But yeah, just keep watching if you're interested in seeing how I made this wig. Alright guys, bye! I've already plucked the hairline, as you can see here, but I wanted to go in and thin it out a little bit more. So I'm plucking extra hair behind the hairline. As you can see, I'm going to be bleaching the knots today. So you want to start off with an equal ratio of the 30 volume cream developer along with the BW2 powder lightener. You want to make sure that this is a thick cream so that way it does not seep through your lace onto the hair, because you'll bleach the hair, and that's not something that you want to do. Ensure that the hair is pulled back away from the lace to prevent from bleaching the hair. I always use a butter knife because it seems to lay the cream a lot smoother and even on the lace front. I left the bleach on for about 15-20 minutes and now I'm rinsing it out. Once you apply water, it will stop the process of the bleach. I'm going to be washing the hair with the Shimmer Light shampoo. This is going to actually help with the brassiness look that the lace will have after you bleach the knots. It's not going to take all of the brass away, but it will take the majority of it away. This is what the lace looks like after you have bleached the knots. Here's one of the caps that I'm going to be using. I like this one because it has the adjustable straps at the back. And then here's the hair that I'm going to be sewing in. This is 100% virgin Brazilian hair. It has a lot of bounce to it. This hair is soft and healthy. And here's the weft. So I'm going to be doubling up the weft just so I can get more of a fuller look to this wig. Here's the wig completed. You have the option of wearing the baby hairs at the front. For me, I typically don't like a lot of baby hair, so I'm gonna pull that hair back and I'm gonna wear it with just the minimal baby hairs at the front. So for my first time making a lace front wig, this was actually pretty easy. It wasn't bad at all. I did not have the proper color stocking cap on hand, so that's why you don't see more of the scalp color underneath. I kind of had to put some of the powder and concealer at the bottom, but if you have a like a light brown or a medium brown stocking cap underneath, you'll be able to see more of that skin look or that scalp look. This whole process was actually pretty fun. I can't wait to work on the collection of wigs that I'll be coming out with soon. But for now, thank you guys so much for watching and sticking around with me. If you have any questions, please leave them down below. Do not forget to subscribe so that way you guys can see all of my new videos once they drop. Alright guys, thank you. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!